Welcome to Math Quiz Video. You have 5 seconds to guess the right answer. So let's get started. Question 1. In the exponential expression b power n, what term is used to describe b? The right answer is option B, the base. Click Next. Question 2. Simplify the expression x power 5 multiply x power 3. The right answer is option A, x power 8. Click Next. Question 3. Which of the following is equivalent to y power 12 divided by y power 4, where y is not equal to 0? The right answer is option D, y power 8. Click Next. Question 4. Simplify the expression a power 3 raised to power 4. The right answer is option C, a power 12. Click Next. Question 5. According to the law of induces, how can the expression 3x whole power 2 be expanded? The right answer is option A, 9 into x power 2. Click Next. Question 6. What is the simplified form of 2 by 5 whole power 3? The right answer is option C, 8 by 125. Click Next. Question 7. What is the value of any non-zero number raised to power of 0, such as 75 power 0? The right answer is option C, 1. Click Next. Question 8. How is the expression k power minus 4 correctly written using a positive exponent? The right answer is option B, 1 by k power 4. Click Next. Question 9. Simplify the expression 3 into x power minus 2. The right answer is option B, 3 divided by x power 2. Click Next. Question 10. If b is a positive number and a power n is equal to b, then it is referred to as the The right answer is option 1, nth root of b. So that's all for today's video. Tell me in the box how many questions you can guess correctly.